Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today Apple has released the iOS 26 beta 7 to developers. So this update should be available for public beta tester in few days. And as you can see it here, it's a large file, 9.65 gigabyte on my iPhone 16 Pro Max. So we're gonna go ahead and install this new beta and then we see what's new. Okay guys, so as you can see, my device has been updated. As you can see here, iOS 26 but beta 7. And now let's go ahead and check out the changes and see what's new on this update. So I don't know if you guys noticed, but it seems like the icons are sharper than before. So it's getting better. The icon design is getting better every day. Every update you see sharper icons. So let's change it to the liquid glass icons and we see what it looks like. For that you have to go to, when you long press on the home button, you can go to edit. And customize, we're going to select liquid glass here, clear liquid glass. So let's select this and then you're going to see that it looks marvelous, right? And anyway, we're gonna go ahead and see what's changing on this update. When you go to control center, you notice that it is darker, now it's more visible, the liquid glass, and depending on your wallpaper, but right now this is darker than before and it is nice and smooth, as you can see it here, guys. All right, and next is the battery. When you go to battery options, so let's go ahead and check it out. Let's go to settings. And I'm going to scroll down, check out the battery. Here you see the battery here, and put on one is like 80% right? 78%. And when we scroll all the way down, you're going to see something new. You see hormone model. Okay, you're going to see adaptive power. So it's going to get a notification. So go ahead and select them. So select them. So you can see here it shows adaptive power that makes this one open up is for the adaptive power. And because all the background that are not being used, just view or just view memory, and your notification is based to active power to view memory facing the feature. You can see everything is nice and smooth. I mean, the benefit is loading. You can see it is nice and smooth. You see when you put point on or done this one, you put point on the menu, you can see how smooth it is like the benefit. It's definitely, and everything is nice and smooth. When it's all left and right, and everything is really smooth. So if this is them to it, it's made real. So now down apart from the iOS 6, the life would come would use one all the long and kind of after my phone. However, the 7 and now notes for one of my phone for all of views and already of them and let you know if it's bad. What they say for the two movie change sometimes. However, the balance coming out soon, or I'm not think that I would have it to balance if around I was 26. Look for the solution I will come out. Should release more the and go back to battery. When I go to battery health here, you see my maximum capacity is only 88. So go down, click on temperature. You see the new check limit It went up to 100%. You can uncheck if you want, you can put it on any percentage you want. But when we're at 100%, because you really to have. You can get the certificate at 6 you know, get to more, so limit to 100%. You know, 100%. This is like I have a full of the not everything is instant smooth. Click on any app, everything has an instant smooth. Everything is instant smooth with your protection, see when you go to folders, when you click on folders, everything is looking good. So, this is your preference, and I hope you get it in this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and subscribe to the channel for more videos like for and bye. And looking everything is looking nice and smooth as you can see here, so you can see this is good, and everything is smooth. So when you click on any app, photos, you many things. So that's about it. So this is a gang for this episode, and I hope you guys in this video. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and some notifications for more videos. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.